How to fix Temu app no internet and no network connection problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application. You will see a page like this. At the top search bar, simply type in mobile. As you do so, you will see mobile networks under connections. Tap open it, then tap on mobile networks. Tap on access point names. Then tap on three-dot icon, then tap on Reset to Default. Then tap on Reset. Now see if this fixes your problem. If not, then head over to your settings again, scroll below to Apps, and search for Temu. Here under Usage, you will see Storage. Tap onto it and clear the cache if you have any, and clear the data as well. Also be noted, if you clear this application's data, you have to re-log in. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on Delete. If not, tap on to Cancel. Now restart your device and this shall fix your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.